Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, a very good day. I'm Fitria Ramawati, a lecturer of the English Language Education Department of Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. In this video, I would like to discuss an introduction to computer literacy offline. My presentation covers first, the definition of what computer literacy offline is. Second, an introduction to computer literacy offline tools, especially Microsoft Office, including MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. And the last one is the benefits of having and mastering a computer literacy offline skills. Let's get started. First things first, what is computer literacy? Computer literacy is defined as the ability to use computers and related technology efficiently and effectively. It includes understanding basic functions, software, and digital tools. In addition, computer literacy skills involves basic knowledge of computer hardware and also software, including understanding internet use and handling different digital devices. These are the skills that belong to computer literacy offline. First one is creating and editing text document. Second, managing and analyzing data in table format. And then creating presentation with engaging slides. Those three skills are skills that are required in computer literacy offline. The application used are different based on the skills. The first skill related to creating and editing text document, you can use Microsoft Word, while for managing and analyzing data in table, you will be using Microsoft Excel. And finally, for creating presentation with engaging slides, you will be using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's move on to Microsoft Office Word. There are three basic skills that you need to master related to Microsoft Office Word. The first one is text editing and formatting skill, which includes skills like adjusting fonts, paragraphs, making headers and footers to create a neat document appearance. This is needed for official purposes. Also, you have to be able to make page layouting and also page design, including adjusting margins, paper size, and adding visual elements such as images and also tables. Last but not least, in Microsoft Office Word, you are required to also able to use spelling and grammar check feature to ensure the text accuracy. The tools that are used for these purposes is called as proving tools. Next, the advanced skills in Microsoft Office. If you are considered advanced, then you are able to do these skills. The first one is referencing tools, especially for academic purposes. You are required to know how to automatically add references using the references feature. For example, citations or bibliography. Also, you are able to utilize styles to create document structures which are useful for generating an automatic table of contents. We call it as styles and headings. Let's move on to Microsoft Office Excel. For the basic skills in Microsoft Office Excel, you should be able to enter data and formatting, including entering data and formatting numbers, dates, and text for structured reports. The last skill that is included as a basic skill in Microsoft Office is using and applying basic functions such as sum, average, and count to calculate data. Next, what are required as having an advanced skills in Microsoft Office Excel? There are three skills considered as an advanced skills. The first one is data organization. You should be able to use the sort and filter features to manage large data sets. Another advanced skill is creating basic data visualization, such as bar, line, or pie charts to classify information from the data sets. And lastly, presenting more informative data by applying colors or symbols based on specific data conditions. So, data organization, charts and graphs, and conditional formatting are considered as the advanced skills in Microsoft Office Excel. The last apps or the last tool is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. The skills that are required as basic skills in Microsoft Office PowerPoint are two. The first one is slide design and layout, and also animation and transition. What are they? Slides design and layout, meaning you are able to organize slides with a clear layout, also adding text, images, and visual elements to create an engaging presentation for any kind of purposes. And the second one is animation and transition. It refers to the ability to utilize simple animations to make the presentation flow becomes more dynamic. Now let's move on to the interactive learning tools. These are considered as the advanced skills in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. The first one is the use of hyperlink for navigation between slides or accessing external websites, which is useful in interactive learning. Next is embedding media. You should be able to add videos, audios, or other interactive links to enhance participant engagement. The last one is the use of smart art and icons to visually present complex ideas. So those are the three skills that are required and that are considered as the advanced skills in Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and we usually call them as interactive learning tools. My last presentation is about what are the benefits of mastering those skills in computer literacy offline. The benefits include first, job market advantage. Many jobs require basic to advanced computer skills, making computer literate individuals more competitive. So if you master all those skills, you become more competitive with other individuals. The second one is you will be more efficient in your workplace. So having these skills will make your work fast and efficient. The third benefit is enhanced problem solving. If you master this skill, it will allow you as an employee or as a student to find solutions to issues using digital tools and resources. Last benefit is related to opportunities for growth. This means if you are familiar with technology, it can lead you to new roles, adaptability to new software, and potential for leadership in digital transformation. Therefore, it's crucial for you to master those computer literacy skills. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much and see you on another presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.